Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Kay Lilia, and I'm gonna, hopefully this doesn't fall, but I'm gonna try to move this. Okay, so I am going to be applying Clean Color Sheer Peach 147, and I'm probably gonna get some interruptions. You can hear my kids already. So I'm just putting this on because my nails are yellowish and I want it like a pinker, like a natural kind of color. So I'm gonna do all of them and I will be back. Okay you guys, so I'm gonna be using this stamping plate. If you hear someone talking, that is my son's teacher. So this plate is from Born Pretty. Oops, I just dropped. Okay, so that's it. The I believe item number, bornprettystore.com. I purchased this, so okay, so I'm going to be using this image on here, that image. So let's see how this goes. So I'm gonna do it. Be stamping with Moira stamping polish. Gotta keep getting up to see if I'm in frame. Okay. And I'm gonna be trying to stamp this with my Queen stamper. It looks like it came out good. So there's pieces missing on here. Yeah, see if I could line it up. I kind of lifted the polish up. Okay, I'm gonna do one more now. It stamped pretty good, I think. It stamped pretty good. Isn't this a beautiful plate though? I thought it was. I like the lace images. I'll try this stamper. This is a Maniology stamper that I'm using. That didn't come out right. Try it again. Came out perfect when I just pushed it on there. Yeah, they came out perfect. Sorry, I was not in camera right now. Okay, so that's it right there. I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, so I'm done with all the nails. And now I'm going to be using this plate, and it is Nicole Diary 091. The other one is Nicole Diary L24. I forgot to say that. So I'm going to be doing this image here. So that's good enough for me because I am just putting it at the top. Oh, I feel like I put it too high up. Okay. So I went too high up on that. I wanted I wanted a little bit higher. So I'm probably gonna have to redo that off, that finger. But I noticed the clean color polish that I'm using is not, it didn't dry very fast. It dried slow, which I don't understand why. Whoops. Yeah, that came out perfect, and that's kind of like what I wanted. And I can use this other image here. Oh no, you know what? I think it dried. Nope, it didn't. Okay, I'm gonna do them all and I'll be back. Okay, you guys, so this is my nail. In my head I seen it a different way, but my yellowness of my nail is too yellow for me. So now I'm gonna apply some of these. They're like crystal, but they're not, they're fake. And I don't remember where I got these at. When the year. I should put it right here. Sorry, I am moving so much. I cannot see right. This now. And I feel like I'm just putting them randomly on here. Hold on. Okay, so I had to go get the dog because the dog was bothering my son apparently. I think I should have applied top coat before I did this. It's probably too much. Oh well. Okay, you guys, I hope I'm in frame right now. I wasn't gonna put all these, but I don't know where I'm placing these actually. Just right there. Also, this that I got is from Born Pretty. I think this is from Born Pretty. Yeah, because I seen green, I was like, oh, I gotta get it. So I think that's it. So I'll be back with all of them done. When I come back, I'm going to top coat them with a water-based polish because I don't want it to smear. So I'll be back. Okay, so I'm back, and this is the water base that I heard for foils, but it's the same like if you don't want to smear your polish. Cheap Nails with Vanna, or buying Vanna, is the one I learned this stuff from. And I'm gonna apply this over the whole nail. Oh my gosh. Do you guys see that? That gem just, it looked like it fell off. Wow. What happened to that? It's like it got ruined. It's weird. Well, that's why they're not crystals, right? You guys seen that? Where's the one I just removed? Anyways, so I'm gonna finish doing these, and then I'll be back with actual top coat. Thank you guys. Okay, you guys, I'm back, and I am going to be putting Posh top coat. I just put it in this bottle. It's not actually out the door, it's Posh top coat. So let's see. Oh wow, I see stuff right there. Okay, so here we go. Oh, I think I put too much. Okay. See my yellowness underneath? So irritating. And I use a yellow stopper, but it, I don't know, it kind of, I guess it does work because they used to be super yellow. So that is it, you guys. Let me know what you guys think about this. I mean, in my head I loved it, but right now as I'm looking at it, I do not like it. It's alright. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about this. I think it'd look better with like shorter nails or not your natural nails where you don't see the line. So yeah, I'm gonna pull it out. So yeah, you guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate you guys. Thank you for staying with me throughout this whole video. Have a wonderful day and God bless, and have fun stamping away. Bye.